Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well. So in this video, I am going to talk about a new platform. The name is Remix. Remix is an AI native mini game platform described as TikTok for games. It enables users to create, remix, and instantly play browser-based games through AI-driven tools. Actually, on their platform, you can see you just have to write what do you want, which type of game you want to create actually, and then with the AI they will create the game for you. So that's it, and you can see there are mini games are available, and you can play these games from four platform like base app, Farcaster, Telegram. On Telegram also you can play, so this is the most I think affordable option. And then you can see the world app mainly the gamer proof type passport application. And then first of all you can see the 5 million funding they raised in July 2025, and their lead investor is Archetype. And then other investor you can see Coinbase Ventures, the big name here, and Variant, Luminous Cap, then Creed Ventures. So that's it guys, and after all we have to play their game, otherwise we will get nothing. That's why I am making the video. You can see their Telegram bot. Actually, when you will log into the bot, actually I will provide the link in my Telegram channel, so don't forget to join my Telegram channel also, because I will give you the more updates in future on the Telegram channel, the major or minor any type of updates. So first of all, when you will create the account on Telegram, and then you have to connect your social ID. If you want, you can join, otherwise you can't connect your social IDs here. Just go with the Telegram, that's good. And now you have to click on the points button, and when you will click on it, you can see remix points will be the utility token of Remix. All games powered by Remix are eligible for rewards. So this is the main thing actually I am making the video for. And you can see TG coming 2025. So we have to collect more points, and maybe in future when they will airdrop, these points will be converted to their token and we will get the reward. So that's it. This is for the video, and see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.